once again to my channel. Now let's look at what we have here. We asked what is the gradient of the line 7x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. What is the gradient of the line 7x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0? Now this is a WAEC past question 2025 OBJ number 45. It was written few days ago. Now this is option A, option B, option C, option D. Is this hard? No, it's simple once you know what you're doing. Now here is the solution to this problem. Now you can do this in less than a minute. Now let's check what we have here. We have 7x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. You're asked to find the gradient. Now what is the gradient of a line? Now if you are asked to differentiate, if you're asked to find dy dx or the slope or the gradient, they all mean the same thing. So if they ask you to find the gradient, it means they're asking you to find dy dx of this, or they're asking you to find the derivative of this function. Can you see? Now if you should differentiate everything here, if you differentiate 7x, you are going to have 7. Now if you differentiate 5y, you are going to have minus 5 dy dx. And then if you differentiate 3 plus 0 equal to 0, because the derivative of a constant is what? 0. Now we have done with this part. Now we are going to have minus 5 dy over dx plus 7 equal to 0, because 0 is already out. Now remember, we are looking for what? The gradient, and I told you that the gradient is the same thing as what? Your dy dx, which means you are looking for what? Dy dx. Now we can move this to this other side of the equation so that dy dx can be alone. Now we can, if we do that, we are going to have 7 to be equal to, if this negative crosses the equality sign, you are going to have a positive dy dx. That way you are going to have 5 dy over dx. Now since we are looking for dy over dx, we can divide both sides by what? 5. I'll divide here also by 5. I'm dividing both sides by 5 because I'm looking for dy dx. So 5 will cancel out 5, and I can say that my dy over my dx is equal to what? 7 over 5. Very simple, and that's the solution to the problem. So you can see the option that has 7 over 5 is what? Option A, and that's the solution to this problem. Is always very simple. Now you can see this question here already. Can you see it? Number 45. What is the gradient of the line? Can you see it also here? That this is the past question I'm talking about. It's just very simple. You can attempt this in less than a minute once you know what you're doing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.